Welcome back. Hopefully you've created some art that represents somebody in your life that you have unfinished business with, some type of imagery that recreates that person in your mind's eye. And now we're going to move to the letter writing part of the exercise. And for those of you watching after the fact, after the live, there's going to be journaling prompts above the video that you see, so you can follow along and do your 2 letters in response to the art that you've created. And I encourage you to try to work with this after the fact. If you want to do another one, it's always helpful to continue this kind of process later on. If you want to get in touch with me after you have finished your art and writing, certainly you're welcome to do that. And thank you for joining us today. I hope you have a good experience with art and letter writing for unfinished business.